especially these horses. They're beautiful. I know my sister would like these. Come on. Come on, horse. There you go. Come on. Let me get some up for you. Look at this. Come on. Yeah, I'm feeding the horses along Route 6. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah. Get some more for you. I know if my sister's watching now, she will like ecstatic. That one as well. Come on. There you go. There you go. Wow. Here they all coming now. They were running away from me a second ago. Come on, I'll give him some as well. Oh. Okay. Come on. You have some as well. Look at that. Oh, the beautiful horses, eh? Come on, give him a kiss. Go on, don't be shy. God, it's a hot day today, I tell you. It's pretty hard going. I mean, these hills are just coming on, coming. Here you go, Trigger. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Anyway, back to work.